Let's see how to create a text document. First, we open the WordPad app on our device. Next, we open a new document and we proceed to write what we want. The next thing we're going to do is to save the document. To do this, we go to File, which is located in the top left, and click. Then we click on Save As. Then, in the pop-up window, we chose where we want to save it. In this case, I'm going to save it to the desktop. But first, I'm going to change the name.
Primero, abrimos la aplicación en nuestro dispositivo. A continuación, abrimos un nuevo documento y procedemos a escribir lo que queramos.
Now I'm going to show you how to fill out the Request Your Demo. To do this, go to the top right button Request Your Demo and click. In this window you can choose a date of those available in the calendar to present your demo.
Tras haber escogido una fecha y hora, te aparecerá el formulario para rellenar con tus datos. Haz clic en Schedule Event para confirmar. Bienvenidos a la página oficial de LViS. Aquí podéis encontrar toda la información necesaria para crear vuestros vídeos.
Next, we will access to the features. Here we show you everything about languages and narration, platforms and apps, video formats. Do you know how much it costs to produce an instructional video? How much does it cost to keep it updated? Changing a video is almost as complex as creating it from scratch. Videos are rarely updated after being published. It's time to look for an alternative.